Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Unity version, VRChat SDK 3 avatar package, and a clean project. Open Unity, import the SDK and your FBX avatar. This establishes the Descriptor workflow. Once imported, set your avatar's scale and orientation and attach correct materials. Make sure to remove unused scripts before continuing. This first action moves assets into Unity so avatar descriptor components can be added. You'll avoid downstream rig and animation mismatches by doing it. Now add the VRC avatar descriptor to the avatar root and set the view position precisely at head center. This determines camera offset in VR. Assign lip sync options and Vyseam source. If using Vyseams from blend shapes, map them here. Configure eye and hand tracking targets and establish animation layers with correct masks. Once done, set the expression parameters and menus. These drive emotes and interactions, so make sensible defaults and enable serialization for persistent states. Finish by validating performance and authoring final settings. Check polygon count, materials, and draw calls, then bake or optimize as needed. Open the VRChat SDK control panel, log in, and use build and test to preview. This catches runtime issues. When satisfied, upload the avatar. If something breaks, inspect Unity console for missing references or animation errors, reassign components, and rerun build and test. If view offset or colliders misbehave, adjust descriptor values and retest until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.